from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Flu season is here. In case you haven't noticed, we'll give you an update on that and also on the General Assembly session that starts tomorrow, all coming up in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. We're headed for a high of 52 today under mostly sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by Ironworks Soaps.
And now for the news.
Well, if you've been feeling under the weather lately, you are far from alone. Healthcare practitioners around Henrico are seeing an increase in people checking into clinics and emergency rooms with flu-like symptoms, and more people are testing positive for the flu. That is expected to continue increasing as schools now enter their second week back in session after winter break holidays and gatherings. Honey Harris, a nurse practitioner at the Care Now Urgent Care Clinic near Willow Lawn, said that clinic is seeing more than 50 patients a day on the urgent care side, most of whom are testing positive for either the flu or COVID. Harris says if you're feeling under the weather with things like body aches, a high fever, or sore throat, or a cough, it's worth getting checked out to make sure that you don't spread that illness to anyone else. You can read much more right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our community vitality reporter, Dina Weinstein. A 33-year-old Glen Allen man died when he crashed his car on Woodman Road just before 7 p.m. on Sunday. Cody Lee Page was apparently tailgating another vehicle, according to Henrico Police, heading north on Woodman Road when he attempted to pass it on the right shoulder, but his Mazda 6 went off the road and struck several trees before flipping over and coming to rest along the tree line. Police believe that the speed of the car and alcohol may have been factors in the crash. Page was pronounced dead at the scene. If you have any additional information about the incident, you should call Officer T. Holmes at 804-501-5000 or submit your tips through Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 804-780-1000 or through p3tips.com. Both those methods are anonymous. The Henrico Board of Supervisors will hold its first meeting of the new year tonight at 6 o'clock. On the agenda, plans to elect a new chair and vice chair who will each serve their terms during this calendar year. Brooklyn District member Dan Schmidt has been the chair for the past year, while Fairfield District Representative Roscoe Cooper has been the vice chair. The board also is set to appoint a new member to the Henrico Planning Commission, Christopher Phelps. He will replace the current Brooklyn District Representative and Commission Chair Robert Whitty. Phelps currently serves as chair of the Henrico Parks and Recreation Advisory Committee. The board is set to appoint Whitty to the Plan RVA Commission. The board also will make a number of other appointments to several boards and commissions. You can find that complete list right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. And tomorrow begins a new session of the Virginia General Assembly. Lawmakers will face one of the most consequential and politically unusual sessions in years with a new Democratic trifecta, 4 major constitutional amendments nearing the ballot, and a fresh biennial budget colliding with fiscal uncertainty and early maneuvering for the 2026 midterms. We've got a complete look on our website right now of what could be ahead for the General Assembly. You want to check that article out from our partners at Virginia Mercury. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Ironworks Natural Soap. Ironworks, a men's grooming and supply company, is located in Short Pump and has launched a new line of soaps for men. They're all natural and offer a great lather, provide nourishment for skin, and have no synthetic ingredients. Learn more at ironworkssoap.com.